Oh no, what is this? All the bananas have fallen from its hanger. Well, what are we supposed to do? It is lunch night time now, and so I will do what my mom used to do. Banana cake can happen later, but first I will make banana shikran. Shikran is a dish that we make with bananas, cardamom, and milk. So, let me show you how to do that and save these bananas. Okay, so I have bought the 5 bananas which had fallen into the kitchen, and what is it that we require? We require milk, we require cardamom, and we require sugar, because this is a sweet dish. And just like any quick rasayan or shikran, this is banana shikran or kerala shikran. So we have sugar, and so we will start by first taking the bananas, peeling the bananas. So I have taken half a liter of milk in the bowl, and to this I am going to add about 6 tablespoons of sugar. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then I am going to peel the bananas and add to this. So there you see I have peeled the bananas, and we have couple of bananas which are very mushy. So those mushy bananas we are going to put it into the, we are going to mash it into the milk which is below in the bowl. And at least 2 bananas, so 3 bananas will go into the milk mashed up, and 2 bananas we are going to slice. So there you see I have sliced up 2 bananas, and 3 bananas I am going to mash into the, so to put it into the milk, and the sugar is already gone in, so I will use the whisk to mash it. You have to mash it really nicely so that it thickens the milk a bit. And I have made extra because today I am cooking for the full day. Today's menu for lunch is dal rice, shikran, and ghadi chipoli. I will try to record the ghadi chipoli also. It's basically layered paratha in triangle shape. It's also called Bengali paratha, but we make it with whole wheat. Making sure that the sugar is dissolved. Now after mashing the bananas, like you see, we are going to add in the chopped bananas. We have cut them up into roundels. Now let us mix it with a spoon. So those are our chopped bananas which look nice, floating in the thickness, the thickened milk with the mashed bananas. So this is the consistency you would like to achieve. So you get the full flavor of bananas in it. This I am going to put in the fridge for a while to rest, so that it is chilled and nice when we eat it with hot ghadichi pori. But I'm going to add elaichi in it so that flavors meld nicely. So there you are. I have taken about 5-6 elaichis and I'm going to pound them into powder and use it in the shikran that I've mixed on the side. And meanwhile, these peels, I'm going to put it into my tea box. So I'm not wasting anything. So that's a tip there for you. So there it is, the elaichi I have added into the milk and banana mix. I've pounded it nicely along with some sugar so that I get a nice powder. Coarse but beautiful, so that all the essential oils are released and they will flavor this milk well. So I'm going to put this into the fridge to chill. So that is our lunch table today. I have rice, dal, there is Solapuri chutney in the plate, then there is a mixed pickle which is bought out, dal, that is the yellow dal, and I'm serving the shikran. It is nicely chilled in the fridge. This is to be eaten with the ghadichi pori. My dad likes it crisp, so I've given a crisp ghadichi pori. And that's a simple yet soulful lunch. And we are going to sit down for lunch now. So this is the ideal ghadichi pori. Soft, layered. There you see the layers. This is what gives it the name. It's folded and it's layered. Yeah, Jevaila, yeah. Try to make this shikran. Closer look. It's white, so it's always difficult to shoot. Bye.